is section 6.4, day 1, areas of other figures. Our objective today is to find the area of a trapezoid and the areas of irregular figures. First of all, what is a trapezoid? A trapezoid is something that looks kind of like this. It is defined as a quadrilateral, so it has 4 sides, with one set of parallel sides. This side and this side are parallel. Those other 2 sides are not. So our vocabulary, the bases of a trapezoid, there are 2. They are the 2 parallel sides. We call them B sub 1 and B sub 2. The height is the perpendicular segment connecting the 2 bases. So we're again going to be looking for that perpendicular piece, that right angle. So how do trapezoids and parallelograms relate? Well, if I take this trapezoid and I swing it around, and I slide it right on next to the other one, I now have a parallelogram because this side is parallel to this one, and this side up top is parallel to this side at the bottom. You'll notice that it's a double though, so we're going to have to cut something in half because it's way too big. And our base is now double like the combination of the 2 original bases, the top and the bottom. So the area of a trapezoid is 1/2 times the height times the sum of the bases. So 1/2 times h times b1 plus b2. Let's try that out. So we look for this right angle. So our height must be 15. Our 2 bases are the parallel sides, which are 8.5 and 13.5. So to find the area, we do 1/2 times my height, which is 15. Base 1 is 8.5, plus base 2 is 13.5. And now we figure out the answer. 1/2 times 15 is 7.5. 8.5 plus 13.5 is 22. So my area is 165 square centimeters. All right, try these 2. All right, in this first one, we have our right angle here. So our height is 4.4. Our 2 bases are 6 and 9.5. The area is 1/2 times 4.4 times 6 plus 9.5. When we do that math, we'll get an area of 34.1 square meters. For the second one, our right angle is right here. So our height is 6. Our 2 bases are 21 and 6. So our area is 1/2 times 6 times 21 plus 6, which ends up being 81 square meters. All right, we're going to estimate the area of Arkansas by finding the area of this trapezoid. Notice our right angles are here and here, which means our height is 242. So 1/2 times 242 times our bases must be 250 and 190. So 250 plus 190. So we get 121 times 440, which gives me an area of 53,240 square miles, approximately. Now, estimate the area of this island by finding the area of the trapezoid. Well, we find these right angles here, so the height must be 3.5, and our bases are 2 and 3. So 1/2 times 3.5 times 2 plus 3, which gives me 8.75 square inches. So now you are going to be given 2 figures. Use your knowledge of areas to find the area of each figure. You've been given enough information, you just have to get creative. There are multiple ways to solve these.